In this guide, you'll learn how to fix YouTube uploaded video pending problem. First, check video processing. YouTube may take time to process a video, especially if it's large or in high resolution. You can try waiting for a bit, as the processing time can vary from a few minutes to an hour depending on the size. Next, check internet connection. Make sure you have stable and strong internet connection. If you're using your browser, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve glitches. If the video is still processing, you will need to re-upload it. Sometimes a failed upload may not complete properly, so starting fresh can resolve the issue. You can try a different browser or device. Try uploading your video using a different browser or device to see if the problem persists. Ensure that a video file is in a format supported by YouTube, such as MP4, MOV, AVI, etc. Unsupported formats might cause issues during processing. If the video is violating any community guidelines, it might be stuck in the pending state. Make sure your video does not contain content that violates YouTube terms. Lastly, sometimes YouTube might experience temporary server issues. You can check YouTube status page or social media to see if others are facing similar problems. If none of these works, contact YouTube support. And that's it. These are some fixes for YouTube uploaded video pending problem. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.